Yesterday, I told Scorch that Vijay, a famous Tamil actor, just became the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. And today, this happened. I think we need to have a talk. Verum, did you see my campaign poster? I've already picked my cabinet and you have a seat. Felix too. It's an important portfolio. Scorch, you can't just... Okay, sit down. We need to have a talk about how this actually works. India is divided into states like Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Kerala. Each state has its own government, and the leader of that government is called the Chief Minister, the CM. That's me, CM Scorch. It has a ring to it. Think of the CM like the captain of a team. But the team is an entire state, and the game is running it well for everyone who lives there. I would be an excellent captain. You have to be elected first, Scorch. Every few years, people vote in legislative assembly elections. Tamil Nadu has 234 areas called constituencies. Each constituency elects one person called an MLA or a member of the legislative assembly to represent them. Okay, so I just need everyone to vote for me, correct? Your party needs to win at least 118 seats. That's called a majority, which is more than half of 234. Oh, that's easy. I can do that. Vijay's party, TVK, won 108 seats. They were still short, so they joined hands with other parties to form a coalition and crossed 120. Teamwork? Yes, teamwork. And then you go to the governor. Every state has one. The governor represents the President of India in that state. You prove you have majority support and the governor officially invites you to form the government. So Vijay did all of this? He did. He left a 40-year acting career, started a brand new party, won 100 seats in his very first election, formed a coalition, and on 10th May 2026, he was sworn in as Tamil Nadu's Chief Minister. The state hadn't seen anything like this in 60 years. Okay, that's actually kind of amazing. It really is. I'm keeping the poster though. Of course she is. That's all from the MysticPost Broadcasting Company. I'm Verum. Keep asking questions. Bye.
Pointy ears, sharp minds, listen carefully, and answers you shall find. Ready for flash news? Your 1 minute starts now.
If your name is David, we hope you visited Hyderabad's Nehru Zoological Park on 8th May. It was the 100th birthday of Sir David Attenborough, a nature expert, writer, and host of famous TV shows like Life on Earth and Secrets of Wild India. To celebrate this amazing human, the zoo offered free entry to visitors named David. For more than 70 years, Attenborough has taught us about planet Earth's beautiful wildlife and how we must love and protect it. The Mysticals are inspired by him. Now let's head up to the mountains of Sikkim and Darjeeling for a surprise snowfall. Usually it snows here during the winters from December to February. But a surprise summer snowfall this month has brought joy to the locals because they can expect tourists to return. During the busy period of West Bengal elections, tourism had become quiet. But now, it seems that tourists will return to the mountains to see them covered in white, sugary snow. Hello, my little flowers of hope. I have two things to discuss with you today. First, I want you all to congratulate Vijay on winning the Tamil Nadu state elections. It is an admirable achievement. Second, I want to talk to you about what this achievement means. A chief minister has great power. They receive respect and fame too. However, you must understand that great power comes with great responsibility. Vijay is now responsible for all the people in Tamil Nadu. Every decision he makes will impact his people. Now try to apply this lesson to your own life. If you are chosen as a class monitor or team captain, people look up to you. That may feel exciting, but it is also a responsibility. A good leader helps others, makes fair choices, and sets a good example. If you can pull this off, I'm sure you all will be great leaders as adults too. See you next week.